Hi guys, this is Sherry from RinPac Packagings. Welcome to my channel. You can get some details about customized Mylar bags in my channel and make your Mylar bags more attractive.
How does metallic Mylar bags look like? The answer is high-end eye-catching. Custom metallic weed Mylar bags typically have a glossy, shiny appearance due to their metallic finish. The metallic effect can vary in intensity, ranging from subtle shimmer to bold and reflective surfaces, depending on the manufacturing process and the desired aesthetic. These bags may come in various colors such as silver, gold, copper, or even vibrant hues like blue or red. The metallic finish gives the bags a luxurious and eye-catching appeal, making them stand out among other packaging options. Additionally, they often feature a sleek and smooth texture, enhancing their overall visual appeal and premium feel. In terms of design, metallic Mylar bags can be customized with printed graphics, logos, branding elements, or any artwork that reflects your brand identity. This customization allows cannabis producers and retailers to create packaging that aligns with their brand image and effectively communicates their product offerings to consumers.
Thanks for watching. If you want to know more information for customizing your Mylar bags, please don't be shy. Free to come chat with me.